In today's digital world, data is the new currency. And behind every click, stream, and transaction is a mission-critical facility built on precision, resilience, and the right equipment partner. At Sunbelt Rentals, we support every stage of your data center project lifecycle, from the earliest excavation to the final commissioning and long after you go live. Our turnkey rental solutions are engineered for performance, uptime, and safety. Whether you're breaking ground, lifting infrastructure into place, or managing mission-critical systems post-launch, we've got you covered. Earth-moving and trenching equipment ensure foundational precision. Aerial work platforms and scaffolding help your teams reach every elevation with stability and control. Fluid management and filtration solutions bring added efficiency even before permanent systems are live. Temporary structures offer versatile solutions, from dining facilities to temporary warehouse and storage space. HVAC and climate control systems deliver real-time environmental management for precise temperature and humidity control. And our load banks and power solutions validate backup systems with confidence before commissioning. But building the data center is only the beginning. Sunbelt Rentals offers data monitoring tools, ongoing maintenance equipment, and scalable rental models that help you minimize downtime and maximize performance. Our teams are available 24/7 with on-demand support, while digital tools like My Sunbelt give you full visibility into scheduling, inspection logs, usage data, and cost management, all from one intuitive portal. So, what sets us apart from competitors? It's not just our fleet, it's our partnership mindset. Sunbelt Rentals works with you, not just for you, providing expert consultation from day one to streamline planning and budgeting, safety-first training and equipment inspection protocols to keep your team compliant and protected, flexible, capital-free rentals that eliminate depreciation and reduce financial pressure, and an energy management as a service approach that helps lower emissions and fuel costs while meeting sustainability targets. With rising demand for lower emissions operations, we lead the way in sustainable equipment solutions. Low to zero emissions equipment, battery energy storage systems, smart load monitoring, optimized rental strategies that prevent waste and idle time, and EV charging. Your job is mission critical. Your build partner should be too. Partner with Sunbelt Rentals for the power, precision, and performance your facility demands today and for the future.